problema sa fan, mabilis mag-overflow. Pag wala kang system na... Yung tanda na yung malakas ang ulan.
Nagapikit ka!
Kita, didn't know.
He said Milwaukee is a very... I really like pond. This is so cute.
Mag-uwi pala natin yung ating baha, Lord. Kung nag-bokse tayo. Puno mo din ang ating house. Pero meron man akong draining system kasi kung isa ma-overflow.
So like when it reaches a certain,
It drains water
drains
from the
water.
side. There's a hole in the side.
Both sides the sink, right?
And then,
The sink.
then sa aking top is
Pero like, di ba sa sink, ganyan man yan. Dalawa.
merong hindi ka mag-overflow.
Ulan! 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 Ah!
Capture the thunder. And the lightning.
Lightning! Yes! Tama.